going to have to fold at the you're going to have to fold at the top to corner. Then you straighten it out. And then on this side, you're going to fold like this carefully. And then flip it over. And bend on the other side. And now you made the part of a paper airplane, and at the tip of the edge of the airplane, you're going to twist. And all you have to do is straighten up the wings, and these are the wings. And let's give it a try and see if the airplane can fly. Whoosh. No. Let's see if it can fly. Whoosh. Good, but you're just going to have to make the tip a bit sharper. And whoosh.
Yay, I think you did it good this time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are we all done?
Bye, everyone.
Bye.